piece of land, the last piece of land that is owned by the public. In other words, we own it. In the middle of Century City, where there is jobs at Montague Gardens, jobs at Kalani Gardens, jobs in the Century City Canal Walk, all those retail and commercial jobs, where there's a MyCity bus connection, where there's a railway station, they're selling off that piece of land instead of helping people to live there, close to those jobs. So they're selling off everything. And when I say we need a city that listens, we must have proper public engagement. Because most of us were caught by surprise when we read that the Good Hope Centre is now sold to a Nigerian church.
I don't know.
It was not properly communicated to the people of Cape Town so that people of Cape Town could respond and say, we don't support this. How many community events has the Good Hope Centre hosted in the 50 years that it's been there?
Pageants.
I mean, the pageants. Even the Cape Town International Jazz Festival started small in that Good Hope Centre. But they're selling it. And it's wrong. And most of us didn't know, because we have a city that doesn't care to inform and engage with people. So we want to change the culture of our city so that communities can go to the sub-council and lodge a petition and say this is what we want, and the sub-council is able to engage with that petition, and the sub-council has a budget that it can spend in its area, and it can manage services in its area. So if we're going to have sub-councils, which are very expensive, then they must at least have some powers and some work to do. And communities need to be informed of what's going on in our city and be listened to. Because I bet you if you heard beforehand that the Good Hope Centre was for sale, you would have been upset like I was. And maybe you would have said, no, I don't support it.